Hi, this is Catworm. Today I'll be introducing you how I drew this very simple landscape graphic using Procreate. So let's get started. The first thing I did was using the pencil tool and the drawing assistant to draw some baselines of the graphic. You can see I'm laying out the wireframe of each structure using straight lines. Then I used a better looking pencil tool to draw the final outline of the structures. I then added a lot of details to the very first tree we see here on the graphic. I added shade, shadow, and some leaf details to the tree canopy. A good thing about Procreate is that you can actually duplicate an existing tree into a row of trees in no time. And here I was just erasing some details on the far away trees to make them appear more natural on the graphic. I then used a green color to color the lawn area and highlighted the in-ground burial units, then used a darker grayish color to color the path, and highlighted the grid lines with a lighter gray color. And then I colored the railing with a rusty ironish color. Coloring the trees was an interesting process. I laid down a base color on the trees. Then I created a color gradient using brush strokes. I used Gaussian blur to bind the colors more naturally and then used a clipping mask. A watercolor stroke eraser helped me create this misty effect on the existing colors. I then used the same watercolor eraser to erase the edges and the corners of the colored areas to make them look more natural. It is time to add some final touches to our landscape perspective. I colored the bench, added some details to the side of the bench, highlighted the bench top, shaded the edges of the bench, added the color for tree trunks. This graphic is missing something really important at this point, which is human references. There needs to be human figures in a landscape perspective or section to show the relative size of the structures of your design. The viewers cannot sense how big, how wide a structure is without human figures. And don't forget to add labels and caption to your graphic, because sometimes people just can't tell what's going on without text. Lastly, I like to add some sky and clouds to give that good ambiance. That's it, bye!